How to import and export Excel XLSX files in JavaScript in under 2 minutes. To begin, we can create a simple HTML page in your favorite IDE and use npm to install the SpreadJS references. We also need to install FileSaver so that we can save files from the browser. Then, we can add references to the SpreadJS and FileSaver libraries to our application. Once SpreadJS is referenced, add a div element to hold the SpreadJS instance. Then, add buttons on the page to open and save Excel files with HTML code. We also need to add the CSS style sheet for the page. So, let's create it and add the reference to the HTML code. Next, we need to initialize the SpreadJS instance. So, let's go ahead and add that code. Once the user clicks on the Browse and Import buttons, we need a function that will be called to select the file and open it. Add the spread.import code to load the Excel file in SpreadJS within that function. We also need to add code to save the SpreadJS instance to an Excel file. So, add the spread.export code to the export button function. Once that code is added, we can load the page in a web browser and click on the Choose File button to select an Excel file. Then, click on the Open button to load that file in SpreadJS. Make some changes to the file, then click on the Save button to save the SpreadJS instance back to an Excel file. Open the exported file to see the changes that were made. With that final functionality added, we have a simple application to import and export Excel files with SpreadJS. Download a free trial today at developer.meshius.com.